GCSE Higher Paper 3, given the question, the diagram shows a regular pentagon and a parallelogram. Work out the size of the angle marked letter X. You must show your working. So this is the question. What we are going to do, since it is a pentagon, what it means is that it has a 5 sides. Okay, so to know the angle of each interior angles, okay, that is now going to give us the formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180. This will give us the sum of interior angles. That is it. Therefore, the number of sides is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mind you, it is called a regular pentagon. Therefore, all sides are equal. What are we do? 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180. Okay? That is going to be 3 multiplied by 180, which is going to give me 540. So the sum of all the angles in this polygon is 540. I can now say the value of each angle will be 540 divided by the number of sides of the polygon. Okay? And when we divide 540 by 5, it is going to give us 108 degrees. Now, each angle is 108 degrees. Here is 108. Here is 108. Here is 108. This place also together is 108. All right. Inside it, there is a parallelogram. One beautiful thing about parallelogram is that in parallelogram, opposite sides are usually equal. Therefore, this place, if it is 117, here also is going to be 117 as well. So what we are going to do, a parallelogram is a quadrilateral, meaning the sum of angles in a parallelogram is equal to 360. Therefore, I am going to do 117 times 2 will give me 234. Then let this place be called, let's say n, and here also is n. They are meant to be equal. Opposite angles of every parallelogram are meant to be equal. Therefore, plus n equal to 360. Sum of angles in a parallelogram must be equal to 360, and also opposite angles of a parallelogram must be equal. That is why the opposite side here is 117. So the other two ends are each equal to n degrees. So therefore, I now have 2n is equal to 360 minus 234. Okay, so we subtract it. Let us subtract it. Minus 360. That is going to give us that 2n is equal to 126, making the value of n to be 126 divided by 2, which is equal to 63 degrees. Beautiful. So what does this mean? It means that the angle here is 63 degrees. Also, the angle here is 63 degrees. That is the meaning. But you can see that the entire of this place is labeled 106, 108. Therefore, I can say 108 minus 63 degrees. Okay? 108 minus 63 is going to give me 45 degrees. What does it mean? That the angle marked X, which I am looking for, is exactly 45 degrees. In conclusion, the value of X is equal to 45 degrees. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.